Kakching Higher Secondary School gi Meethoi Meehenba Maheiroishingda mana Piduna Pukning THOUGATKHRE Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Loba Higher Secondary Examination 2026 da position Lauraklaba Nongmaithem Priyardashini Yauna Higher Secondary Exam Amadi Board of Secondary Education Manipur Loba High School Living Certificate Examination 2025 amasung 2026 da mark wangna fangduna mai paklakraba Kakching Higher Secondary School Kakching gi Maheiroishingbu School asina harau taramna okre School asigi Meethoi Meehenba Maheiroishingbu okpaga loinana mana Piduna Pukning Thougatpagi thauram ama ngasi Kakching Pausupat Lekai da Leiba Library and Information Center Kakching gi Auditorium da Pangthokre Thauram aduda Senior Citizen Forum Kakching gi President Oiriba Hanagi Education Minister Nongmaithem Nimaina Chief Guest School asigi Principal Naurem Nomita Devina President Kakching District gi Bar Association gi President Senior Advocate Nongmaithem Madu School asigi Reader Lecturer Dr. Nongmaithem Pramodini Devina Guest of Honor Sing Oiki Ngasigi Thauram aduda Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Loba Higher Secondary Examination 2026 da Science Stream da 15 position da mai paglaktuna exam asida lengaki school singi mai ngaklak kibasingi manungda ama oiribi Nongmaithem Priyardashini yauna Higher Secondary Exam amasung HSLC exam da 2025 amadi 2026 da mark wangna fangduna mai paglaba school asigi Mahairoi Taratareta mana Piduna Pukning Thougatkhe Loinana School asigi Oza Singdasu achamba khudol tamki hairi Maheiroishingda pikiba manasing asi Kakching Higher Secondary School ex-minister Nongmaithem Nimai School asigi Hanagi Principal Ketrimayu Manihal Hanagi Lecturer Dr. Nongmaithem Pramodini School asigi Vice Principal Nongmaithem Sunitana sponsor tobani hairi